All right, guys, so today we're going to be starting on page 10 in our packet. It's called Make a 10 to Add. Okay, so it looks like that. We're going to be starting with 7 plus 5 plus 3 equals the unknown. So looking at those three numbers, which two added together give you 10? Good, 7 and 3. So we're going to circle the 7 and the 3, and we're going to add the 7 and the 3 to the number bond. Okay, so now my 7 and my 3 added together to give me 10. What number's left over? 5. So now I have 10 plus 5, and what is 10 plus 5? 15. Oops, I wrote it on the wrong line. We're gonna just cross that out. Mistakes happen. Tell you guys all the time, I make mistakes constantly. So 7 and 3 were my two parts to make 10. 5 was left over, so 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now they put 10 frames up here at the top, so if you would like, you can use the 10 frames to help you with drawing some pictures. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the one next to the problem we just did, the 4, 2, and the 8. 4 plus 2 plus 8. What two numbers added together give me 10? 8 and 2. So I'm going to circle my 8 and my 2, and I'm going to add them into my number bond. Okay, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. What number's left over? 4. And 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, gonna go ahead and do the next two the same exact way. And then down at the bottom, you're gonna figure out what two numbers give you 10, and then add the other number and solve. So in 5 plus 5 plus 7, what two numbers added together give me 10? 5 and 5. So 5 and 5 equal 10. What number's left over is 7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, and you can write 17 up there too if you would like. All right, so you're going to go ahead and do the 3 and 9 and 7. Okay, and complete the problem down there. All right, so that's job number 1. This page 10. Got 2 more pages tonight. So page 11, or tonight. Sorry, 2 more pages today. Page 11 wants us to cut out the addition sentences below and glue them under the correct heading. So either the number sentence is true, it's correct, or it's false, it's wrong. So true is going to mean that it's correct. False is going to mean that it's wrong. Okay, it is not correct. And then they want you to solve for 10 to help. So 9 plus 3 plus 1. Well, I know 9 and 1 make 10. Okay. Oops. So I know 9 and 1 make 10. So 9 and 1 are 10, and 3 is what's left. 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is not correct. Okay. So when you cut it out, you're going to put this in the false category because that is not correct. Let's see if I can find a correct one. There we go. The one right next to it. 2 plus 4 plus 8 equals 14. Well, 8 and 2 make 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So that one will get cut out and get put under the true side. Okay? Correct? Not correct. Cut them out. Check the math. Create a 10 to help you. And then glue them under the right category. All right? So that is true or false, page 11. Okay? Page 12 is a game. It is optional. So you can do page 12. You don't have to. Okay? So in order to play, it's for 2 players. So you'll need someone to play with you. You'll need a dice. So player 1 will roll the dice and move that many spaces. Okay? Then you'll make a 10 to add and then solve the number sentence. If you are correct, if you solve it correctly, you can stay there. If not, you got to move back to the space you were on before, and then it's player 2's turn. So if you roll a 3, you'd go bing, 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 and you'd land on 6 plus 2 plus 4. I would see that 6 plus 4 is 10, and then add 2 more. So 10, 11, 12. So I would say that's 12. And my partner would say, yes, you're correct. And I'd get to stay there. But if I landed there and I went, okay, so 6 plus 14. Then my partner would go, nope, that's not right. They would then help me figure out the correct answer, and I would move back to my original spot. Okay? All right. So again, that is the optional page. I'm going to put that on my notes because I forgot to. All right. And that's it for today. Any questions? Let me know. Like I've been saying, please get a hold of me if you're struggling with any of this. If it's not making sense, if you're needing extra help, let me know. All right. Miss your guys' faces.